All right, we're moving on to lesson 3.4. We're going to be multiplying a fraction by a fraction. Make sure you write the lesson number and the I can statement. I can multiply a fraction by another fraction. So, multiplying two unit fractions. If we look at the equation, 1/4 times 1/2. Let's see if we can picture this. Suppose I started with a board and wanted to cut it into 4 equal pieces. So there's my fourths. And we've talked before about how multiplication with fractions, that multiplication sign means of. So we're going to take now, really, half of a fourth. So let's just look at a fourth and cut that. There's my fourth. We're going to cut it in half, right? So there is half of a fourth. What I need to know, though, is what fraction of this is, what fraction of my whole board is just this piece. So to help me, I want to cut all of the fourths into halves. And now I can see that my board is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. So this half of a fourth is 1/8 of the whole board. So 1/4 times 1/2 equals 1/8. Now look at that. Do you see a pattern here? All right, now, what if we took those same fourths and divided them into 3 equal pieces? So now my question is, what would a third of a fourth be? Okay, so 1/4 times a third, so a third of a fourth. You can see now that we have 3, 6, 9, 12 equal pieces. So a fourth times a third, each of those pieces is going to be 1/12. So what if I have that same board and cut it into still fourths? So I'm going to have fourths, but I'm going to cut them into 4 equal pieces this time. So I have a fourth times a fourth. So think about that a minute. What is this piece going to be of the whole board? So 4, 8, 12, 16. So a fourth of a fourth times a fourth, is going to be 1/16. Again, look at the pattern. Numerator, denominators. Now, those were unit fractions. Let's look at some non-unit fractions. Miguel explains how to use fraction bars. Here's our problem. 2/3 times 4/5. Or remember, another way to say that is 2/3 of 4/5. So we have a fraction bar divided into fifths, and here are 4/5. So now we're going to take those 4/5 and divide them each fifth into thirds. Okay, so to find 2/3 of 4/5, I can circle 2/3 of each fifth. But first I have to split the fifth into 3 equal parts. Okay, so we've got our 4/5 circled in blue. We're dividing them into 3 equal parts. Okay, so now let's find out 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3 of 4/5. So if we were to count those up, 2, 4, 6, 8, we now have 8, but each of these little pieces, that whole fraction bar, is now divided into 15ths. So we have 8 15ths for our answer. Okay, so each group I circled has 2/15. 4 groups of 2/15 is 8/15 in all. So when we look at our original problem, 2/3 of 4/5 or 2/3 times 4/5 equals 8/15. Again, notice the pattern. Numerator, denominator. What's happening with those numbers each time? We are multiplying. Numerator times numerator, 2 times 4 is 8. Denominator times denominator, 3 times 5 is 15. Easy cheesy, right? So if we were to show that as a formula, formulas are usually shown with letters. So here's our rule. When we multiply any two fractions, so these letters just represent different numbers, A over B times C over D, we're simply multiplying the two numerators and multiplying the two denominators. Okay, so again, here's the rule. Simply multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Or I like to say multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. Simple as that. So let's look at these. 3/4 times 4/5. If we multiply the numerators, we get 12. Multiply the denominators, we get, you guessed it, 20. Over here, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Down here, multiply across the top, the numerators, multiply across the bottom, the denominators. Finally, see if you can figure this one out. If you guessed 30, you're right. What about the bottom? 72. Okay, we're just going to leave our answers as fractions today. Easy cheesy, right? So here are your problems. Again, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. You can leave your answers as fractions. Please copy the problem and your answer. See you soon.